Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright, y'all, I'm still doing the summer cookout or summer salads. Today I'm doing an awesome salad, y'all. I'm doing a pasta salad. I'm gonna put a little meat in it, but it's very colorful, it's very healthy salad. All this, I'm gonna use some, what they call rotina noodles. I call them fusilli, but they rotina pasta. I'm gonna get this cooked up and put some feta cheese in there. I'm gonna cube up some cheddar cheese. I'm gonna do some nice small heirloom cherry tomatoes, which is very nice. Put some olives in there, chop some ham up in there, and do my favorite light dressing here, which is Italian. Very easy salad, y'all, for the picnic or cookout or just sitting around the house eating. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna get the pasta cooked up. I gotta get this cheese chopped. I'm gonna get the tomatoes, nice heirloom tomatoes sliced. I'm gonna slice them up. And the ham I'm gonna chop up. The olives already sliced. Very simple, very easy salad. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, I got the pasta here cooked up. This is boutique. I'll put the description in the end of the video, y'all. And this is different flavor. I got tomato in here, spinach, and this here is the beet. So like I say, y'all, this very healthy dish here. Except maybe the cheese. But I can sit down and just eat a bowl of this in the summertime. It's so cool and refreshing. Okay, we're gonna add the item to this. I got the tomatoes here, the heirloom tomatoes. Y'all already know I love heirloom tomatoes. I cut them in half. And the big ones I quartered. I got some olives here. Y'all can put whatever you want in there. You can put broccoli in there. You can put cauliflower. Anything you want. Make it nice and colorful. Okay, I love feta cheese, especially in a salad. I just love the flavor it gives, and it holds up in the salad too, so well. Get that all tossed in. And y'all know I like cheddar cheese. You can put red onions in there. You can do, it's unlimited what y'all can do with this salad here. Okay, now I got that. Now, you don't have to add the ham in this. I love the meat. This is what makes it an actual salad to me. You don't have to add meat in it if you don't want to. This is what makes it a meal in a salad. So get all that tossed in there. Now you can use whatever dressing you want. What I do, I like champagne dressing in mine, but if I don't have champagne vinaigrette, I'm gonna use this one right here. Y'all know I love my Italian dressing in the bottle. Get it all shook up there. Just put a little of that on there. Not too much. I can always add more at the table if I want to, but I just want enough to kind of bring all those ingredients together. Trying to get away. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it a little bit, and I'm gonna see if I need salt and pepper in it. You know, the feta has salt in it. The dressing is salty, so we're gonna see here. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper, not a lot. Trying to bring it together. And it's definitely healthy, y'all. Like I say, the cheese, the feta is not really fat. You can get the fat-free feta. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this in my nice bowl here, y'all. I'm gonna come back and we really gonna taste this thing. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna plate up some of this here. Like I told y'all, y'all can put turkey in this, chicken breast, any kind of cheese you want in this. And it's just a salad in itself, y'all. Probably best to eat with a spoon. Sometimes I add more dressing on the table. I like the saltiness of that feta. Or the dressing got a little sweetness to it. olive got a little saltiness to it. And it all works together. And you can use whatever pasta you want to use. I got the sweetness of the tomato. What's there? It's gluten free too, y'all. Well, one more bite here, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I can sit down, this be the only meal I eat. One more bite. I absolutely love feta cheese, y'all. But anyway, let me go to the video. I'll eat this whole plate. If you like this video, this perfect for 4th of July, y'all. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and TikTok. I keep forgetting to say TikTok. And oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.